Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I'm Rebecca, and today we are going to make the snap tab version of the fancy holder, sanitizer holder. So it's a little different because we're going to put a hole in there so you can use it while it's in the case. I'm over here making a bunch of them. The Touchlands fit into these holders, and you're able to use them while they're in the case. So it's got a little hole and you just spray. So we're going to be making this snap tab version. And then I had a friend of mine ask me if I could make a key fob one. And I'm like, well, maybe next time. But then I thought about it and thought, oh, that would be a great option to have. I have not made one yet, but we're going to make one with that uses this kind of hardware, the key fob hardware. So let's get started. This is the one from Walmart. It fits in there too, and you spray. So the supplies you need for the snap tab, the design's almost 7 inches by let's see what it is, it's almost 3 inches. So I have my main cut at 3 by 8, and then the pocket piece, it's just a scrap. You will want to line it with some kind of lining, and you can use thin canvas vinyl or another layer of vinyl. It's up to you. Your snaps, you're going to need a straight blade so you can cut your hole, or use your scissors, and that's it. Just tear away stabilizer. Let's get started. First step on the machine is the placement. We're doing a 2-for-1 video here. I've got them on both machines running. So this is going to be for key fob hardware and obviously the snap tab here. So now what you want to do on the back of your hoop is place your lining or your thin vinyl or vinyl, whatever you want to do. Place it over the entire placement lines. Put some tape on it because it's going to move when you flip it. And then on the front side, just place your main front piece over the entire design. And then run the next step. Okay, so now that is done, the next step on the machine is going to make a little circle. So go ahead and run that now. I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so that we have the little circle there now, we can, you want to slice it and then trim around it. I just usually take a straight blade and slice it, and then use my scissors to trim out. So I'm going to do that real quick. You're not going to watch me do that. I'm not very graceful sometimes. So I'm going to cut my circles out. I'll be right back. Okay, I cut my holes through. Now just put them back in the machine and run the satin stitch for the outline. Okay, so we ran the satin around the circle, and now what you want to do is turn to the back side of your hoop and grab your pocket pieces. So you can place your pocket high, low, wherever you'd like to do. The pocket's gonna start from the top and go down. So no matter where you put it, it's gonna catch. So I'm gonna put mine right there, I think, and secure it with tape. And I'm gonna do the same for this one, and then run that last step. Okay, so now you're done. Now you just remove from your hoop, clean up your stabilizer, and trim. I'm going to do that part real quick, and then I'll show you how to put a fob on. I know you guys know how to do snaps, but I'll show you how to do this one. I'll be right back. Okay, I cut and trimmed, and that's the back of it. It's still usable on the front of it. I actually like these little Touchland spray, the watermelon scent. It's really yummy. And then here's this one. Let me grab the other one out. We'll just stick it in there and see what it looks like. Just like that. I do like this mango one too. I'm going to be all kinds of sanitized by the time I'm done with this. Anyways, so these are the little key fob hardware. You would just put that on. I have a tool that came with mine, and it's just like little flat pliers, and you just take it and squeeze. Sometimes it's easier to take this off when you do the little squeeze, but I'm not doing that at this moment. Though I should, huh? I should do things right. Show you how to do it right the first time. Anyways, just line it up in there and squeeze. You want to make sure the prongs grab it too. So what I like to do is I get a little pressure, and I like to pull a little bit so I know the prongs are catching onto the vinyl. So there you have it. Cute little, she came up with a great idea, I think, on that. So that's how you do the snap tab versions and the fob version. Anyways, thanks for watching.